Hey, good day everyone. I've got this IG220 model trail camera from iZEEKER. Well, here's everything that came in the box. Love the look of this thing too. It's got that nice solar panel right on the top, and you can adjust the angle on it as well. It's got the sensor there, the lights are here, and the camera lens there. It comes with a charging cable and a mounting strap as well, and the user manual. This thing just pops open like that with these latches on the side. Now you have access to all your buttons here. Turn it on. Also, I want to mention here in the bottom, there's where you charge it and reset it, and then on the side here, that's where your SD card goes. So we can go ahead and select our language. Press OK. Right here, English. And you can set the date and time. Press OK after each entry. All right, here's the disc I'm using. I have this little adapter here, this micro SD adapter, and then the micro SD card there too. It's 64 gig. This thing just goes right in here. All right, we're all charged up, got the SD card in here. Let's go install this thing. All right, there's a look at it. So now we've got it strapped up to the tree here with this clamp right here. We got the excess just tied up above, but just a little quick disconnect right here, just like a belt. Turn that thing on video mode. Well, you can barely see the little spike walk by right here, but now he's coming right up to the camera. So I was very happy with this trail cam. I'm going to use it a lot and I recommend it. Thanks for watching.